Hello everyone, and welcome to Vegan with Soul. My name is Tereasa, Neal, and the dish that I'm going to prepare today is very easy, it's very basic. It's using leftover rice. Don't throw it out. It can make a lovely dish. It can be the main attraction, so stay tuned. I think you will enjoy this dish. Here we're going to add some red onions, some asparagus, and then we're going to add 2 corn on the cobs. Fresh is best. If ever you can do fresh, let's do fresh. Then we're going to add some spring onions, some ginger, and some garlic to the dish. We're going to stir it up just a little bit. Then we're going to pop in some red tomatoes. That was 2 small tomatoes diced. See that crust on the bottom? That's what we want. That's what all the flavors are waiting to come to the surface. And then we're going to add a half a teaspoon of turmeric. Turmeric is good for arthritis and inflammation, just FYI. Then we're going to add, I'd say about a half a teaspoon of pepper. Now this organic Bragg herb seasoning is so delicious. So I would say about a half a teaspoon of that as well. That's probably about 1/4 of pink salt. Just when it comes to salt and pepper, just follow your taste buds. You know what I'm saying? You know what you like, I know what I like. So I'm going to add half a teaspoon of miso. Miso just bring this awesome flavor to your dish. It's just, I don't know what all they do it or how they do it, but the blend that they do this with, it's amazing. We're going to add some water to help it dissolve within the dish. I add probably about 2 tablespoons of water. Then I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of local honey, just to bring everything together. And for some reason, I love my dishes a little spicy, so I'm gonna add some red pepper flakes, just a little bit. Again, this is optional. You don't have to do that. And then guess what? The main attraction, the rice. That's about 2 cups. And we're just gonna fold this in until it takes on the flavors and the color of everything that we have already put in there before. That's beautiful. I'm gonna plate this up. I think that's enough, don't you? Now we're gonna add some spring onions just to put a little bit over top. And I think that will do it. Look guys, isn't that just beautiful? So one thing I love about cooking is after cooking, you get to taste it. Let's see, what did I do today? This is so delicious, guys. I wish you could taste it. I taste the garlic, I taste the ginger, I taste the onion, I taste everything. And the color is amazing. I eat with my eyes first, don't we all? But thank you guys for tuning in to Vegan with Soul. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time in my kitchen. Bye.